Hi everybody, this is YouTube user TJElevatorfan here, and today is International Thank You Day, so I would just like to say a special thank you to all of my viewers and subscribers. Hope you all enjoy this special video, and have a great day. Tour at the Virginian Hotel in downtown Lynchburg, Virginia. Now remember, I did a tour of this place before, but now we liked it so much we're back here again. This is just a standard 2-queen room. So we'll let the door close.
There's the map.
Yeah. So you can see we can do this. Again, it's kind of what Jacob would call a funky layout because it's in a historic building, like all curios are. So you have the elevators here, you have some suites down here, and then some standard rooms going here. These are more suites, and then we are here in 417 where the green dot is.
Alrighty.
And then of course security. We have a deadbolt latch locked and a peephole with a nice privacy cover. Mm-hmm. So I think they're well taken care of in the security department, just like last time.
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
Yeah, and then you can tell that being a regular room, this is just, like I say, this is a standard room, and last time we were in one of the suites.
Mm-hmm.
So this is just a regular room, but it's still nice though. You got a nice TV.
Yeah.
A Samsung.
Mm-hmm.
And let me put my bag down while I'm thinking of it.
Alrighty. Okay, let's go look in the bathroom.
Yeah. Alright, let's see here.
Oops. Yeah, that is kind of weird. You have to do it upward.
Yeah. Well, I think this switch
actually does it right.
Yeah, that switch is regular. It's just the switch by the door is backwards.
Kindly tidy up and hush y'all. That's kind of
Yep,
neat.
so those are the do not disturb signs to put on the door. Have a nice little storage space under here.
Got a refrigerator.
Yep, this side is the fridge.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually, yep, nice little mini fridge there.
Yep.
And then that's the closet.
Oh, that's nice. It's got a safe.
Yep. Oh, and it's got a closet light.
Yep. And we know what this is now too. Last time we were here, we weren't sure what that was because the room that y'all stayed in didn't have a blanket, I don't think, but this one does. And the one that Mommy and Daddy stayed in had the blanket in it.
Yep. So let's see, this is your safe, so you want to demonstrate the safe?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. I kind of like that location for the safe because And a lot of hotels, the safe is either up or real down low, you know, and
Yeah.
it's hard to maneuver to it. But
Yeah. Yeah, but it's usually somewhere in the closet here. Some hotels like the Great Wolf Lodge has it high up on the wall.
yeah.
And then there was, it's actually kind of interesting because there was actually one hotel, Eric just uploaded a video recently of of a hotel that he stayed at in Nebraska that had the safe was actually down, it wasn't in the closet, it was down on the nightstand.
Yeah.
Got a nice bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a shower type combo. And this is room 502.
It lit up red and green. That's weird.
Yeah, I always did that too.
Oh, look at here. You walk right into the bathroom.
You do? Yeah, I was noticing I'm on the floor instead of carpet, so I'll have to take a look at this, but go ahead and let the door close.
This is nice.
Kind of interesting how the toilet's in its own room separated with a glass door. Even has its own lighting, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And it's on window, but it's closed now because it's dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the soaker tub and the bath.
Mm-hmm.
Another
Oh yeah, this is nice. I like this. This is plenty.
one over there, yeah. Yeah, this is still nice and big.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is a nice room. It's kind of cold in here. We might need to turn the heat on.
Yeah. Let me see. Here's the thermostat. Yeah, it's set on 66. Yep. So I think we got some good rooms again. What do you think?
I think so. Okay.
Drive 14 miles. construction zone ahead on I-81, between exit 89 and exit 92.